If you're wondering how to show all your courses on the first page in LearnWorlds, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through how to make your courses more visible to your users without having to click through pages. Stick around, because at the end, we'll be sharing some awesome alternatives that might even be better for your needs, and we have exclusive free trial links just for you. First, let's dive straight into LearnWorlds and make sure your course layout is exactly how you want it. LearnWorlds is known for its flexibility, but sometimes finding the perfect setup takes a little bit of effort. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the course catalog. This is where you control the appearance of your courses and their layout on your landing page. Once you're in your course catalog, go to the settings. In the catalog settings, you'll see an option to set the number of courses displayed per page. Now, you might already know that LearnWorlds has default pagination, meaning only a limited number of courses show up on the first page, and everything else is pushed to subsequent pages. But you want to display all of your courses on that first page, right? Here's how you do it. Next thing, adjust the setting where you control the number of courses per page. Set it to show all courses on one page. This is super important because LearnWorlds doesn't always show this option by default, so you need to specifically enable it. Now, all your courses will load in one scrollable list instead of forcing users to click through more pages. After that, check your theme settings. Your LearnWorlds site might be set to a grid layout or a list layout. Depending on how many courses you have, a grid might not be the best way to go since it might look cluttered with too many courses. I'd recommend a list layout for showing all courses at once. It's cleaner and more user-friendly, especially for your learners who want to access everything quickly. In the theme customization section, you'll find an option to switch between grid and list views. Choose the one that best fits your needs. The fourth thing, and perhaps one of the most overlooked, is to make sure that you have optimized your course categories. This might seem unrelated, but when you have many courses, grouping them into categories can make your page less overwhelming and much more organized. It's especially important when you decide to display everything on the first page, as it helps your students navigate without being distracted by too many options at once. Lastly, let's talk about mobile optimization. While you may have perfected your desktop version, mobile optimization is key, especially when displaying all courses on the first page. Check how the layout behaves on mobile by adjusting the mobile view in LearnWorlds. Sometimes, displaying too many courses can cause your mobile layout to break, so make sure the design is still user-friendly on smaller screens. Now, while LearnWorlds does offer some great features, including a customizable course catalog, there are some platforms that might better suit your needs for showing all courses on the first page with an even more flexible, organized approach. For example, if you're looking for something that offers easier categorization, better mobile responsiveness, or even just a simpler setup, there are some alternatives you should consider. Through our exclusive link, you'll not only get the best free trial for LearnWorlds, but we've also included some fantastic alternatives that are perfect for the goal of making your course catalog more streamlined and accessible from the get-go. Plus, these platforms have features that LearnWorlds might be lacking, such as more robust category options or simplified page layouts. So, whether you stick with LearnWorlds or try out a new platform, make sure to use our link for the best free trial and exclusive benefits just for our viewers. Don't forget to check the description for all the details, and good luck making your course page as user-friendly as possible.